Happy Valentine's Day from the beautiful Black Hills of South Dakota. Hi, I'm Faye Swenson, independent sales rep and national recruiter for Avon. And today I'm going to talk about campaign 6, sales galore. If you like sales, this is the catalog for you. Up to 65% off on quite a few different products. So let's get kicked right into it and show you some of the fun stuff that's in there. At the first 39 pages, we have clearance stuff. Our little travel sizes of cleansers are $1.99. Great for traveling. You can put it in your carry-on. And to carry it on, why not do it in this cool little bag? And I think it's like, I don't know, I can't remember what it is, but it's really lightweight, so it doesn't take up a lot of weight, because you remember, I usually have a weight limit on your products that you can carry. And if you have not done the Aspira line, I really suggest it. Our Aspira vitamins, the essential packs are $5 off, and it has the multivitamin, a superfood that has 50 fruits and vegetables, and fish oil. It's a good fish oil. And it's a 30-day pack, and they're all individually packed, which is great. And our plant powder proteins are on sale for the canister, another $5 off of that. But we have where you can get the whole boost system, where you get 2 of the plant powder proteins, the hunger block, the metabolism, and the ideal cleanse, all for $99. It's normally $140, so big savings on that. And then you notice up front we have our kids vitamins, and they're normally $10. They're on sale for $5, because a lot of things are $5 off. So do start thinking about getting healthy this year. I'm a big believer in supplements and skincare. My hair, I guess, just has a funny thing going on. Look at this cool size of shower gels. What a great way to just pump and get it in for your shower. We have all the 3 different Skin so Soft size smells, and they are $10.99. And I am loving this sculpting gel. It's a cooling one, so it goes on really cool feeling. Love it, use it daily. And I was reading about this. I did not realize this, but our affirming one, besides it shows the arms, and I have been working on that, but also your abs, and you can also use anywhere on your body that you want to get a little more firming. But yeah, my abs, they definitely need it. So I think I'm going to get started on that. And they are mix and match, 2 for $20. And our nourishing lipsticks, there's all kinds of new, I think there's 12 or 15 new colors. And I have samples of some of them. They made samples of 5 of the new colors. And I bought a couple of ones that did not have samples. So if you want to see colors, I have those. And they are 2 for $10. A lot of the lipsticks last time were the 4 for $20. Well, this time, if you didn't want full, you can get 5 for $20. This time you can get 2 for $10. So I think that's a great deal. This is something I am so excited about. It's our Starfruit and Coconut line. It has the vitamin E and stuff in it too. I love this. It has great moisture, and as well also vitamin C. But they brought this back, and I was one of those customers that just loved it. And so I had stocked up, and my supply was almost out. And so I'm so glad I really stocked up, because I use it a lot. It's back. And they're on such wonderful buys. I think they're $2.99, $3.99, and $4.99. So yeah, check those out. And shampoos. Our shampoos and conditioners are all on sale. They're $3.99. And my hubby even likes this. We have the restructuring ones, the 2-in-1. We need shampoo and conditioner in one, and the volumizing one, and the argan oil one. So great shampoos for that. And your story. We have all these different fun fragrances, and depending on what your story is, there's 4 different ones. Mine is what my mood is, and so today, what is this one? But this one also has a scratch and sniff in the catalog. So if you have not noticed in the catalog the scratch and sniffs, you can just rub your wrist on it, and then you can try that out. So do take time to do that. Only $9.99, and it is a spray. Look at those fun earrings out front. It's one of our wow things, and it's the kind that has this little spring It also has a little, okay. And then we also have the post that shows in, it's the really shiny post. All three pairs for $7.99. Get them in black or silver or gold. So those are wonderful staple kind of earrings. And I have to make sure you see this. The Love at First Lash mascara. It's one of my favorites now. I've been using it for quite a while since it came out. If you order from my e-store or your representative's e-store, have an order of $50 or more, you will get this for free. It's only $12. You get it for free with a $50 purchase. Besides, you get free shipping. And the first 35,000 people to order from representatives e-stores gets a sample of our newest Ultimate Supreme Elixir. I'm excited about this one. Like I told you last time, it has the two different ones. It has the oil and the serum in it. And so it has the two. So you put it in your palm of your hand, rub it together, or you put it in and put it on your skin. And this is one I have to talk to you and me. Skincare, I have to always talk to you about it. If you have a problem with your feeling like your moisturizer is kind of peeling, well, maybe it's because you have not sloughed off the dead skin for a while. And our microdermabrasion in a bottle is what I call it. It's the resurfacing expert. They're on sale for $18.99. You put it on after you've cleansed before you put your moisturizer on, and it will eventually, you don't have to do anything special, just put it on. And you can put it on morning or night, and it will help get off that dead skin. And then your moisturizer will start working on your face like it's supposed to. So check those out. On the back cover, look, we are bringing back our luxury liner, brows, lips, and eyes, not in all the colors, but quite a few of them. And look at the price, $1.99. And so this is the size that they are. You can see it. And we also sell the 3-in-1 sharpener, and they are on sale for $2.99. And you say that there's only 2 holes in it, but if you have a bigger one, you can take this out, and then there's even a bigger hole for you to sharpen. So $2.99 for that. And Valentine's Day is here, but Easter's coming up. So we have our Easter stuff. This cute little guy. Look at it. And it's not fun. It lights up and starts changing colors. And it has an on-off switch on its foot. And Mind, Body, and Soul candles. Can't say enough good about them. All kinds of different ones, depending on what you want in your fragrance. So 2 for $24, so $12 a piece. Look at this gorgeous necklace and earring set. And they are green and like a light, like the June birthstone and the pink. And these earrings come with it for $19.99. But if you want longer earrings or bracelets, we have those. And a couple other things I should make sure. Oh, here's that Aspira sale. Look at that. Get all of that stuff for $99. And one thing I need to tell you about is in the catalog. I love this to remind us spring is coming. So they give all kinds of spring things. And there's quite a few different pages of spring things in the catalog that it shows us. So I thought that was kind of cool. And oh, if you're looking for these, that's where these are at. Yes, Starfruit and Coconut. It's in the spring things, not with the regular shower gels and lotions in that. But yeah. And then look at this fun little spring village. It's a little light, so it lights up. And there's 3 different pieces: the little church and the little house. We have the little kitchen. And this one. Then comes the set. I think that's it for today. Oh, in the catalog, we also have the lipsticks. So if you want to get your lip liner to match, that shows you that. Oh, you can always back order or get the special outlets and flyers. Oh, this is a reminder. Notice on the outlets and clearance items, we have while supplies last, final sale, no returns. So if you order anything that's in a clearance, we cannot return it anymore. And we can always back order. So campaigns 4 and 5 are still good. And then I love this stuff. I should post my picture of all the things I use. I make a wonderful shake every morning with that stuff. But I found there's some really cool recipes. So this one, protein chocolate truffles. I made a recipe, so you can print that out. And then we also have a chocolate protein dip, overnight oats, and an oatmeal protein bites. So if any of those, if you're wanting to make things with it and be healthy, let me know, because I would love to share. So anybody that does order any of the plant-powered protein stuff, I will make sure I get those recipes to you. And if you haven't tried these Crave lipsticks, love them. This one is the toast or French toast, and it kind of smells like that, but I love the way it puts on. It has just a nice shine, but it's just a little bit of color, so it doesn't go overly boring. So thanks much for watching. Have a great day. Faye Swenson, Independent Sales Rep and National Recruiter with Avon.